from this to this. Super easy to install your microball on your SB platform rail system. Your microball comes with the microball setup, a washer, and a nut. First, we're just going to remove the bag. We will be using the same bolt and washers from the speed bag. With our microball, we're going to take our washer, just place it inside. Then we have the bolt, so it'll look just like that. Slide that up here, and we're going to pop it through. Now we're going to take the other washer, put it on the other side, slide that through. Now we're all the way through. Now we're going to take the nut that comes with the microball, and then just use pliers or a wrench to tighten it, and you're set. The microball is a great training tool. Like, one reason is when you're hitting the microball, and the microball is so small, it makes that extra small speed bag look huge because you're used to hitting something so small. Now, if you find you're having trouble with microball, for some reason you're just not getting it, it's too hard because it's flying around this way, that way, the neat thing is you can actually adjust your swivel. If you go into the SB rail system setup, swivel, you'll actually see how to adjust the swivel, and you can actually tighten it. You can tighten it so it doesn't move much this way. So that'll help you to get a chance to figure out how to use the microball. When I hit the microball, I actually like using fingerless gloves. Once you have your microball all set up, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.